So I want big up to all me real yard them, yard and foreign, big up Sheffield, big up Negro, big up Little London, big up all of Westmoreland basically, and big up everybody else in Jamaica. Happy holidays to you, Merry Christmas, big up to everybody else all around the world that watch me here on YouTube, man. Hi guys. So today is Christmas Day. I want to wish everybody here on YouTube and on Facebook a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy whatever you celebrate. You guys have been true subscribers and true writers for me here on YouTube, true supporters for me here on YouTube. Because I've switched up my YouTube so much and the growth is amazing. So I want to thank everybody that subscribed to me here on YouTube. Support your girl here on YouTube. It means a lot because I'm the only one in this lane. I'm the only female doing what I do here on YouTube. So the support, especially from females, is much appreciated. So I want to tell all my subscribers, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and have a happy holidays. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm 66 subscribers away from 2,000 subscribers, and that was the goal that I set for 2016. December 31st, I wanted to have 2K subscribers here on YouTube. I'm 66 subscribers away from it. So please like, comment, share this video for me, please, so I can reach my goal for 2016. And I love you guys. I appreciate you, and happy holidays.